Bantayan niyo po, may iba dyan ng mga gas stations na everyday inaakyat. Bawal po yan, abuso yan. You are taking advantage of the current problem of the country. You're making it worse for other people. So what we want, sana, I would like to ask for help from the people, from the media. Report it. Because people, alam na ng mga tao nervous yung mga kababayan natin tapos may magte-take advantage pa. That is immoral na. So let's report it. We have hotlines. You can send. You can go to our social media, Facebook or email or tawagan niyo po kami. Report niyo po sa amin kasi instructions ni President. We have to reprimand. No, we have to file cases to those that are abusing, profiteering, nag-hoarding. That's not a Filipino way. Tayo po, sama-sama tayo, nagtutulungan tayo. Yung mga hindi po sumusunod at taking advantage of the situation, hindi maka-Pilipino yung mga